Go.
Kanino ito?
You check. Ayan. Reyes family. Kay Tita Luz. Kay Tita Luz tsaka kay Tia. Oh, kawawa. Kasi hindi sila nakarating pero binigay pa rin yung gift mo.
Ay, Mama, electric fan.
Wow. Electric fan. Meron ka ng personal electric fan. Alam mo ba
Mama, tignan mo yung sunod ni Daddy.
alam mo what happened? Why hindi sila nakarating?
Hindi.
Namatay yung mommy ni Tita Luz. Kaya hindi sila nakarating. Lola Luz. Say thank you to Tita Luz and Tito Ipe.
Thank you po.
And Pia. Say thank you, babe.